In today's video we talk about mirror draw axis. In previous video we have talked about mirror peak axis. Now we will know how to draw mirror in draw axis. First we have to go in modify tools. You will see here mirror peak axis. We have already talked about this mirror peak axis in previous video. Now we will talk about mirror draw axis in this video. So here in mirror draw axis, if you want to draw this object mirror, suppose you want to draw this object mirror this side here, so select the object first and click on the draw axis and draw a axis here. If you want to draw this side, you will draw axis like this. At the same distance this side object will be drawn. If you want to draw mirror of this object this side, so you will create axis this side. This is how mirror will be drawn of this object. Okay, let's know how to draw all this object to this side. First you have to select all this object, click on the draw axis mirror, draw a axis here as per your requirement. You will see the object has been drawn through mirror. Okay, now we will see how to draw. Suppose you want this window this side, so first we click on this door, draw axis. Suppose this is middle, you want to draw axis here, click here. This is how the door has been drawn through the mirror command, mirror axis, draw axis command. If you want to draw this window also, select the window, click on the draw axis. Suppose you want window this side, so most probably you can draw axis here. See, window has been drawn. Suppose you want this line to be this side, select the line, draw axis. Suppose you want this line to here, so you can draw axis here. See, the line has been drawn. Suppose you want the whole room to be drawn in the mirror draw axis, you want this one to this side, so click, draw an axis here, you will get the room this side. Suppose you want to draw this one this side, click on the draw axis, draw an axis this side, the object can be drawn by the mirror. In this way we can draw the draw axis mirror, and you can use the shortcut also DM. Okay, thank you.